The main thing that we're using Totalmobile for, the dynamic scheduling system, we're using the mobilise part, which is working really well for the operatives as well.
So particularly with the surveyors, I will use the widgets that we've created to actually look at how many inspections are outstanding and the works that need to be raised from that. I can track all of that.
You can actually see the figures using the widgets of how much overdue there is, what the WIP is, what jobs are in jeopardy, reports to the senior leadership team, what the costs are. We can figure out what our budgets are going to be going forward. I use the productivity side as well. In Totalmobile, it's easy to just put the diary on, have a quick glance and go, oh, that operative there hasn't got any work this afternoon, we need to look for something for him.
It's about eyes on, managing, seeing what's happening and identifying any gaps and where we need to direct my team into what the priority would be.
It allows us to save money with the time that it's saved in booking work. Going from 10 minutes to 1 minute to book a job allows us to book more work in. We're already transitioning our subcontractors as part of our new framework onto the subcontractor portal.
We carry out surveys. We also do work on void properties where we have to do some refurbishment. Find with the portal system that it's very helpful. You can go on there, upload your extras, they get seen quite quick and then sent over. You can put all your details on there with regards to when you're booking the job in, where you are with the job. I can relay back to Rugby Council where the job is.
One of the biggest things in the industry at the moment is the Ombudsman watching everything that we're doing, and it allows us to get the answers back to them as quick as possible and to answer our complaints really efficiently.
Totalmobile gives us something that's dynamic and enables us to work more effectively with our tenants. We just didn't have that before.
It's all at your fingertips with Totalmobile and it's all on the one screen. It allows us to increase our reputation for Rugby Borough Council.